I am Chris McAfee. I teach high school history at Mill Valley High School in western Johnson County in Kansas. I teach a freshman world geography class and a sophomore AP European history class. My technology strengths and weaknesses are that I am willing to try new things, and obviously, I'm seeking out and trying to improve my knowledge of technology and technology integration. My weaknesses is that I'm still probably in the learning stages of doing that. We're getting ready to transfer to a one-to-one school with MacBook Airs next year. And so learning how to integrate and use that technology in the classroom is going to be, I think, a big challenge for me. Um, that's probably the thing I most want to get out of this class. I know it's innovative technology integration, but what I'm really looking for are suggestions on things that we can do in the classroom to seamlessly integrate the technology that we have and make the classroom better. I'm looking for things that enhance discussion, higher level thinking, collaboration, opportunities to connect outside of the classroom, and just ways to, I think, maybe make the classroom a little bit more efficient, both for students and for myself. Thank you.